How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ali.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you busy?
Not really.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
What's this?
This is a pen.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like some rice.
Do you want some tea?
No, thank you.
Can I sit here?
Of course.
How was your day?
It was good.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Are you tired?
Yes, I need some rest.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What's your phone number?
It's 0301-123-4567.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Do you like sports?
Yes, especially cricket.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm just tired.
How was the weather today?
It was very hot.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure, no problem.
Is this seat taken?
No, please sit.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had chicken biryani.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, every weekend.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, after 5 p.m.
What's your plan for today?
I have to study.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, take it.
Where is your school?
It's near my house.
How do you go to school?
By bus.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Who is your best friend?
His name is Usman.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my keys.
How do you spell your name?
Ali.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.